Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to uninstall Windows 11 updates. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. For compatibility issues or to troubleshoot, sometimes you may need to uninstall Windows Update. Now I am going to show you how to uninstall Windows Update. Click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Click on Apps on left pane. Here you will find Advanced App Settings. Click on it. Under Related Settings, you will find Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall Updates. Here you will find all install updates. I am going to show you how to uninstall. You will find an button here, Uninstall. Click on it and then click on Uninstall. Update is uninstalling. Update has been uninstalled and sometime uninstall will require restart. Just close Settings, click on Start menu and click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, installation will be done successfully. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.